Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to set up the passcode on your iPhone. So having a passcode over your phone helps you to feel secure and feel safe, since only you who know the passcode to access your phone. So to set up the passcode, please go into the settings and just scrolling down the settings sections until you found a Face ID and passcode here. Just click it, and after that you can just scrolling down again until you found a turn passcode on right here, and then you just need to click it and make sure that you already prepare a code for your phone. There you can also change the passcode option here, so you can like custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, or you can also set for 4-digit numeric code right here. And after that you just need to put the code, okay, and do a confirmations to verify, and hold on until the code is set. And then for the next you need to enter the password for the ID, password for Apple. You can just type it. And now you already have the passcode on your iPhone. That's all the way how you set the passcode on your iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.